Hi there, welcome back to Mark RC. Can't believe finally got my hands on Tamiya Dyna Storm. Probably sort of the founder of the TRF buggy as such. This one has been partially built, which I'm not too bothered about. I can't believe the price I got it for, ridiculously cheap. So I'm hoping everything's in the kit. Comes with the pink Acto motor, which is quite cool. So we've got quite a few of the part bags still put together. Oh, good job, that's you've got that luminous pink Acto motor. I think you have to even put the decal on. That's never been out the bubble wrap by the looks of things. What a cool looking motor. Acto pink. I'm not sure what term that is. I'll find that out for when I do the build video. Which is nice, you've got all the vintage packaging still in the and the extra spur gear. Got those really big sort of TRF style aluminium shocks, which they've never been put together either. Springs, bearings, some bracing, the servo saver, and some ball studs. Not sure if that's carbon or FRP, I'll have to find that out as well. The top plate for the chassis. Tamiya's traction control gearbox cover. Some brackets. The sort of 3M style Tamiya tape for the body. And the hex drives and the wrench. They've been out the bag before. But considering these kits now go for somewhere in the region of about £1,600 in box, what I paid for this, it's not worth best part of £1,200 just to have the blister pack. I can't see that would just be an absolute waste of money. Got the tyres and the wheels. Don't think they've never seen, and the plastic is quite yellowy on there. I do like the front wheels on these, I think they look super cool. It's sort of half ribbed, half spike. Still nice and soft. Front wheels, and then we've got Tamiya's sort of generic spiked rear tyre. Pretty cool. Didn't have the all the blister packs or the like the inside of the sort of box in the cardboard section, but like I say, £1,200 for a bit of cardboard you're going to leave in a box doesn't seem sort of very good value for money. Got all of our shock, all the shock parts, all the pistons and everything else. Got that absolutely epic body. That's never been out of the packaging. And the rear wing to go with it. Let's have a little look at that. Doesn't look like it's got a protective film on. I mean, super sleek styling on the Dyna Storm body. And then got the rear wing. I was bidding on a Dyna Blaster, and it was very expensive, and it's one of those, you know, like pulling the trigger. Finally, I went to pull the trigger, and literally 5 minutes before someone bought it. So, like I say at the beginning of the video, you're paying to unwrap a box, which is, I'm just not going to do that. That's just absolutely ridiculous. So someone's built the chassis, absolutely really well built. Everything's put together really well. So what I'm going to do to make this a full build video, I'm going to take all this apart, and the same as my normal videos, just go through the manual page by page. Obviously the manual's in the box. got those all. Of course, thinking, oh, the decals on in there. Yeah, got the decals. I mean, they look pretty cool, don't they? They like the orange and yellow. Whippy aerial in there, and one of a spare bearing left in the box. No radio gear or anything. So next video I'll take everything apart and then we'll go through the manual and build this chassis back up to as it is now. I've always wanted to build one. I know this one has been put together really well by the looks of things. I can show you Tamiya's traction control, how the clutch and everything works. So next video will basically be starting from scratch, starting from page 3 in the manual, and working my way through until we've got a fully functioning buggy, and then we'll take it out for a gentle run around the garden. Don't really want to scratch that chassis, but it is nice and flat, so you could put a JC Concepts chassis protector on. It looks to me as if those arms, I've never seen that style of swoopy arm before. So I hope you've enjoyed the sort of semi unboxing video. I mean, look at the colour of that. That is absolutely epic. I'm hoping you get a decal. Do you get? I wonder if you get a decal for the motor. Maybe you do. I'll have a look on the decal sheet in a bit better detail. But like I say, thanks for watching. You could like and subscribe. It'd be super cool. Help the channel grow a bit. And I hope to see you in the build video. Thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye.